Here in this video I am going to discuss with you the key answers related to general paper. So KEA on the official website they have announced the key answers, provisional key answers for general paper as well as core subjects. So let us discuss here the key answers for the general paper. So overall 50 questions will be there. So here is the first question. So here these are related to mathematical aptitude. So study the following pie chart and bar diagrams and answer the question below. So here the pie chart has been given. So once you read this question carefully, uh, then you have to answer for this question. So there they have asked what is the ratio of the number of boys in school C, the number of girls in school B, and the total number of students in school C. Once you do the calculation, then you will come to know the answer for this question will be option 3. So the next question will be the following table gives the number of items of a product sold in two towns A and B in 6 different months. So they have given the items sold in two towns for January to June. The number of items sold in town B in April is what percent more than the number of products sold in town A in the same month. The correct answer is option 2, 40%. So the next question, 6 students are ranked in the increasing order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 based on their scores in text. Suppose score of each student is added by grace mark 2, then which of the following is true? So this is option 2, rank of each student remains same. Suppose a survey has been conducted on sample of 500 patients suffering from a particular type of pain. This question if you read, I am going to just give you the answers for the questions. So if you do the calculation, you must get 23% and 27%. So this option is correct. The following graph represents the number of students appeared and number of students passed in an examination during a year. Average percentage of students passed over the students appeared is the for given bar diagram. Once you do the analysis, the correct answer is 60%, option 4. Match the following and choose the correct option. So here they have given, just you should match them. Here router, firewall, GUI, browser. The correct option is going to be code 1. Okay. Router is related to option 2. This one. A device that forwards data packets between computer networks. B is 4. Firewall, a device that prevents unauthorized access to a network. GUI is option 1. An interface for computer users that provides icons to select with a mouse. Fourth, D is option 3. An application for accessing websites. So first option is correct. Which of the following statements are true about CC and BCC fields in an email? CC receives can't reply. So I will go for the option. Correct option is 3. That means 3, 2 and 4. 2 is what CC recipients can see other CC and BCC addresses. Then fourth one is BCC recipients are hidden from all other recipients. This is the correct answer. That means option 3 is correct. Seventh one, consider the following statements. S1 and S2 they have given. S1 hypertext is a text that contains links to other texts. S2 www is based on hypertext, which allows users to navigate between web pages by clicking on hyperlinks. Option 3 is correct. Both S1 and S2 are correct. Which of the following is the best use of ICT to improve student learning? Option 3 is correct. Using learning apps that help each student learn at their own level. Which feature of Google Forms makes it suitable for surveys? Option 2 is correct. Support for questions like multiple choice checkboxes. 11th, as per the Biomedical Waste Management Rule 2016, glassware and metallic body implants are to be collected in. Option 1 is correct here. Cardboard boxes with blue colored marking. 12th, consider the following statement. The Disaster Management Act was passed by the Parliament in 2005. The Union Home Minister acts as a chairperson of National Disaster Management Authority. The NDMA may have not more than 9 members, including vice chairman. The tenure of the members of NDMA shall be 5 years. So option all the 4 are correct. So option 4 is correct. A, B, C, D. According to United Nations Sustainable Development Goal SDG 10 is related to reduced inequalities. Option 2 is correct. Next, consider the following statement related to Earth Hour. It is a climate change and environment conservation related awareness program or moment. So once you read them, only 2 of them are correct. Sorry, only 3 of them are correct. Option 2 is right option. Consider the following statements related to International Solar Alliance ISA. Once you read the carefully the given options, option 4 is correct. A only. That is, ISA is a global intergovernmental organization dedicated to advancing solar power adoption for a carbon neutral future. Which of the following is not the future of Buddhist education? Option 2, physical punishment. Match the following. Here the correct option is fourth one. A, your University Education Commission 34849. Then Secondary Education Commission B 1 1952-53. Indian Education Commission 4th 68. First National Policy on Education 3rd. So A is 2, A is 2, 64, 66. So here I will just mark here the correct option. So correct option is fourth one, just you can have the idea. Then match the following government established research organizations which their functions list. Atal Innovation Mission, then National Research Foundation, Imprint and Space Program, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. So here the option 1 is correct. This paper is for C2, the code C2 I am mentioning here. So whichever may be the paper, just you should know the correct answer for the questions. The board which is responsible for assessing and accrediting technical programs to ensure quality standards is NBA. Option 3. The key aspects of value education are character building, psychomotor development, ethical decision making. So A, C, and E. Option 1 is correct. Match the following. So here, visual learners, kinesthetic learners, peer tutoring, inclusive education. Option 4 is correct. Benefit of using project based assessment. Important to, sorry, I will go for the option. Option 2 is correct. Enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills. Flipped classroom typically involves. So here the correct option is 2, completing assignments in the class and watching videos at home. Rightly sequence the steps involved in computer based testing, CBT. So option 2 is correct here. Fourth, second, first, and third. In that order you have to arrange. Match the following: anger, happiness, fear, jealousy. So the option 3 is correct here. What is the key character of the positivistic approach? Option 2, sorry, option 3 is correct here. Belief in the existence of objects, measurable facts, and laws governing phenomena. Match the following, choose the correct answer. So, for this question, systematic sampling, random sampling, stratified cluster sampling, option 3 is correct. So, I am not going in detail, just I am giving you the correct options for the given question. So, it will take a lot of time if I will read in detail. Which of the following represents the right sequence of drawing the sample? Obtaining an adequate sample is listing the population, defining the pollution, selecting. So option 1 is correct. Which of the following formatting styles is commonly used in field of social science and education? American Psychological Association, APA. Option 3 is correct. Which type of research method is employed in a company? Marketer has to design his advertising and sales promotion campaign for high-end watches that would require holistic profile of the population. So option 2, descriptive method. So this is the passage they have given. You should read it carefully so that you can answer for the given questions properly. So how do books help in progress of civilization? Option A is correct. Based on the earlier books, new knowledge is obtained. What does the high quality books produced by country indicate? Option 2 is correct. Why are books according to the passage called never failing field? Option A is correct. Books do not betray individuals. Which of the following has been described as sign of good luck? Option 4, a passion for books. Which of the following is the author's view about knowledge and pleasure derived from books? Option C, we is correct. We get knowledge and pleasure in equal measure. Which of the following terms describe the communication between two people that involve sending and receiving message? Dyadic. Which of the following are the common classification of communication? Optics, epistemics, kinesics, vocalics, haptics. So option 3 is correct. C, D, E. Which of the following belong to the field of proxemics in communication? Facial expression, crowding, territoriality, personal space, eye contact. Option 2 is correct. B, C, and D only. What are the relevant strategies of effective communication in classroom? Option A is correct. A, B, C are the correct answers. Match the following: non listener, marginal listener, evaluative listener, active listener. Option 2 is correct. What comes next in following series? So here they given the series, the correct option is 1, NPQR. In a certain language, coffee is written as, how will tea be written in same language? Option 3, 2051. A car covers a certain distance of a speed of 50 km per hour in 6 hours. To cover the same distance in 4 hours, it must travel at a speed of 75 km. Option 4. If an amount doubles itself at compound interest in 4 years, then which of the following are correct? Option A is correct here. A, B, C, D. A library has an average of 400 visitors on Sunday, 100 visitors on other day. The average number of visitors per day in the month of 30 days beginning with a Saturday is. Option 2. If in a certain code language, threat is written as like this, pearl is be written in that code. Option 4. So triangle represent doctors, the circle represent players, and the rectangular represents artist. So here the correct answer is first option 1. Okay. Refer to following information to answer the question that follows. 48. D scores the highest. Just read this question carefully. So the correct option is 1. A policeman goes 20 km east and then turning to the south 30 km, then again return to his left, goes 10 km. How far is from straight point? The correct option is first one. The problem figures are. So correct option is fourth one here. So I have just mentioned the correct answers for the given question for general paper. So you will get the idea if how many questions you have attempted correct, then you will come to know the score that you have obtained in this paper. So I hope this is helpful for you.